Good afternoon, Warriors. Happy Pi Day. Today is Wednesday, March 14th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. First of all, in math, we're doing practice 12.1. Unless you're in first or eighth period, and then you do not have that. Science, there is no homework tonight, as you had your mineral quiz today. Hopefully you did well on it. Social studies, you have the Hinduism reading, and then a chart to complete. In language arts, you have the expository writing practice feedback form that is located within the Google Classroom for your language arts class. And then in lit, remember, 2 days from now, AR points are due. Your reading rally is mapping the invisible. And no, this reading rally is not extra credit, Caden and Chase. It is not optional. It is an assignment you need to do. That's it for this evening. Make it a good one.